Alright, y'all don't laugh, bro. If you laugh, I'll just keep going. Hello, everyone. My name is Jack Messenger. And today... Bro, come on. Alright, just keep going. Today, I will be discussing Hurricane Helene and how unique it was, leading to the tragedy in the heart of the Appalachian Mountains. By God, it's not a laughing matter. Being one of the most destructive hurricanes that we have faced in the past about 20 years, 30 years, it has raised a lot of questions about whether climate change has increased the prevalence and severity of hurricanes and natural disasters as a whole. You know, the three main reasons Hurricane Helene was so severe was because of climate change increasing the intensity of storms in the past 20 years, all right? And the geography of the Appalachian Mountains was ultimately the number one reason that so much damage and destruction occurred. According to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, also known as NOAA, over the past 20 years, the Earth has undergone many changes regarding climate and atmosphere, all right? The warmest ocean temperatures on record have been recorded, as well as moisture in the air, leading to heavier and more frequent rainfall and flooding. NOAA scientists agree that while climate change doesn't create hurricanes, it certainly strengthens them and increases the risk. The next reason that Hurricane Helene was so severe and dangerous and destructive was because the path taken by the storm led directly inland into the heart of the Appalachian Mountains in North Carolina and Tennessee, near towns like Asheville and Chimney Rock, North Carolina. This region of the United States is one of the poorest and most rural and isolated locations in the country. Many towns lack infrastructure that would be needed to combat such a natural disaster on this level. The narrow and few roads leading in and out of the mountain communities meant that emergency services and first responders were overwhelmed and delayed because the roads could not withstand the landslides, which ultimately erased sections of highway and town streets. Finally, the two reasons that I just gave are both significant and serious causes of the damage and destruction experienced in the Appalachian communities. But the number one reason was because of the geography of the Appalachian Mountains. The mountains are constructed with numerous amounts of V-shaped valleys, which cause all the rainfall that accumulates to just pile up, causing massive flooding and landslides. And sure enough, these Appalachian towns are centered right in the valleys at the bottom. Unfortunately, this led all the debris, all the landslides, all the rocks to come down and pretty much wipe away some towns such as Asheville in North Carolina and Chimney Rock in North Carolina also. And ultimately, that is the most significant reason, was the geography of the area.